Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make Marvel weapons with cardboard. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, a reliable hot glue gun, and a sharp craft knife for precise cuts. Next, decide which iconic Marvel weapon you want to bring to life. Perhaps Thor's mighty Mjolnir or Captain America's iconic shield. Once you've chosen, sketch your weapons design directly onto the cardboard, ensuring all proportions are correct before you begin cutting. Now that your design is sketched, it's time to carefully cut out each individual piece. Precision is key here, so take your time. For added strength and a more realistic feel, layer multiple pieces of cardboard together. This technique gives your weapon a robust, three-dimensional quality. If your design includes curves, you can gently bend the cardboard or lightly score one side to achieve the desired shape without creasing. With all your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Use your hot glue gun to firmly attach each component, ensuring a strong bond. For larger or more complex weapons, consider adding internal supports like cardboard dowels or even wooden sticks to prevent bending or breaking. Don't worry about small gaps or seams. These can be filled with thin strips of cardboard or a bit of craft filler to create a smooth surface for the next step. Finally, let's bring your Marvel weapon to life with detailing and finishing touches. Start by applying a base coat of primer or gesso. This helps the paint adhere better and gives a smoother finish. Next, use acrylic paints to add vibrant colors, and don't forget to include weathering or battle damage for an authentic look. Once the paint is dry, seal your masterpiece with a clear coat spray to protect it and ensure it lasts for many adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.